Sinch Smart Conversations empowers businesses to instantly analyze inbound customer messages, detecting sentiment, intent, and sensitive data to deliver clear, secure, and personalized interactions. For example, a leading U.S. credit provider leverages smart conversations to automatically analyze customer inquiries for sentiment and intent, routing frustrated customers directly to contact center agents and ensuring rapid resolution. Let's quickly demo these AI features. We're in the Cinch Build dashboard with our WhatsApp demo app, currently using a standard inbound webhook for incoming messages. Activating smart conversations is simple. Toggle it on and select desired AI features. Here, we've enabled offensive content detection and automated PII masking. After saving, we link the redaction webhook and simulate inbound messages. Sending hello from WhatsApp triggers both webhooks. The standard webhook shows the original message, and the redaction webhook handles sensitive content. When messages include PII, like my date of birth is, the standard webhook displays it as received, while the redaction webhook automatically masks sensitive data, ensuring compliance and privacy. Next, let's see this in a live support scenario. In our support interface, an agent initiates a conversation, and the user replies with personal details and offensive language. Smart Conversations instantly masks only the sensitive data, clearly indicating the type of information detected. Offensive content is entirely redacted, fully protecting the agent. No customer engineering effort was required. This capability was seamlessly enabled within the Cinch platform, highlighting our AI's easy integration and flexibility.